Guys, ito yung panel board ng 2024 guys na Hyundai Kona. See all monitor guys. See where is the drive? You can see here this drive same like in signal. See, yeah, this is the D, and you can see the D, but here you can see the park here. Only press that one. See park. See, this is all 2024 model guys. See, you see the parking, yeah. And if you want to put drive, just select here, just put here, this one, you put, see, or D, and put neutral. You see, look at my finger, and this is the reverse, like that. See, look at the camera, also down, and you put the D, yeah, only. It's very high tech guys. And freeze the P parking, and P parking now, park engines. And you see this is the handbrake. This is parking brake or handbrake. If I freeze here, and then you see this in the panel board. Freeze now. Look at this. Okay. And if you want to freeze like this, after remove that one, freeze the brake. Freeze the brake. Now only begin again. High tech guys. Okay, this is my job card. Okay.